Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. So for the installing this software, so let me quickly get one box. Now I'll go for CentOS 7. You can use any other operating system also.
Sure, sir.
So here, launch this instance. Perforce and here I'll go for Red Hat 7
Okay,
or go for CentOS also is a wise for it, no problem.
okay.
So let's go for CentOS
What is the
7.
prerequisite for installing Perforce, sir?
You can install basically on Linux and Windows both. So if you
Okay,
see that here, uh, this installation document is, you can refer it, Ubuntu,
okay,
this one, CentOS, SUSE, and all stuff like that. So let's do one thing, Ubuntu, that it was there already.
okay,
So use that Ubuntu only. So here, Perforce, Ubuntu, and 20 version I'm using. I need a little bit of high RAM, so 8 GB RAM I'm going for it.
okay,
Now this I'm creating one ticket ppk perforce and create new key pair and public key. We'll have to modify this public key and 30 GB hard disk and launch. So after that, you have to download P4D. P4 means perforce, D for demon. So from where we'll download? So we need to download from these locations here.
okay,
So this is the latest package which you're going to get it. So P4D you have to download and
okay,
we need to do that. So how can we download? So try free, click on it,
okay,
and here this you can set it up on the cloud also.
okay.
Just a second. Here first name Rajesh Kumar, Rajesh DevOpsSchool.com. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. DevOps School India on premises and done. Now you can install from here. So RHEL CentOS depends on the family. So Linux,
So it supports all three platforms, Windows, Linux,
yeah,
and
yeah, and 1 to 16, 20, 22 also supported.
okay,
Here Linux supported all this, and here Windows supported, Mac also supported. So yeah, so I'll go for Linux 20, the version 22.22, which is the latest one. Click on the download. So click here. I clicked on this. Why is taking so many pages? So Linux, Linux, Ubuntu, Jammy, download, download. It's complicated, this stuff. Hmm.
ஓகே சரி அது முதல்ல கரெக்டாக அப்டேட் பண்ணு ஓகே நான் கொஞ்சம் மீட்டிங்கில் மீட்டிங்கில் இருக்கிறேன்
It's really irritating actually. It's not allowing us to download. Let me pause the recording.
Yes, sir.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so I'll just log into my instance
Yep.
and T. I have a PPK file.
What is this PPK file, sir?
It's for login to the instance
Oh, okay.
in AWS.
Okay.
So I'm using machine which is on AWS. Username is Ubuntu and sudo -s. So now let me set the color, appearance 14 or something, and apply. So now I have got this machine.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add it. So this command, I'm going to run it. You can read it offline, these commands.
Okay.
It's not running. There's some problem in that command. It says there's one command, second command, and third command. So there's some problem in one command where I don't know. So this is done. Second command. GPG. Okay, it's not. And last command which we had is this one. Let me try to together. Okay, let me try to run this command. And finally, modify this file
Okay.
and add this line in the file.
Okay.
After that, run update. Done. There's something, the repository release file. We'll check later. So that is done. This is for Red Hat. Okay, sorry, there's a mistake done by me, and that I have to do this one more time. So this file you have to modify and replace something. So OS is replaced with Ubuntu. So
OS.
Ubuntu distro is replaced by Trusty or Xenial. So now Trusty or Genial, I'll get it from here. AMI focal focal. Phew.
Something urgent, sir. I think you feel like you're in a hurry.
No, this machine is the where I'm demoing, no? This
Ah,
is messed up actually. So many things
okay.
is open, and the problem is because of work laptop,
Okay.
I am not able to close it also.
Okay.
Destroys focal
Okay.
and then release. Should be okay now. So let me delete this line and update. Done. So this, remember that in the recording, this has to be changed.
Okay.
Okay, so now after that you have to run this command. This is for Yum, this is for Suzy, and so on. After that you have to install,
We selected Suzy or Yum, sir?
no,
Force, no?
Ubuntu,
Force,
this is the
force.
one. Yeah,
Okay.
so that is done. So after that, this is the package name.
Okay.
So I'm going to install this package name. Share the screen. apt get install Helix p4d. Yes. So this is the server
Okay.
which I'm installing right now.
Okay.
Here, one more thing. This you have to keep it in your notepad. So
Okay.
here P4D, the Perforce is a system user
Okay.
and you can connect in many ways and stuff like that. Okay, so let's wait for it processing. Now I have a few. Is this one also you can try manually. This is manually in
Yes,
Unix.
sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
this you download this P4D, give the
Okay.
permission, set
Okay.
up the root, and
Okay.
here you have to run this command. Now the default
Okay.
port for Perforce is 1666. Okay,
Okay.
so if you want to connect through the I mean UI P4V, this is the
Okay.
one. So this is
Okay.
the Unix. I think this was 2017 I wrote, but right now
Okay.
we are trying is Linux. So
Okay.
systemctl and
Okay.
the service which you have is Helix P4D. So
Okay.
so this is the Helix Core is now installed but not yet configure. So you are asking you should be running this command
Okay.
to configure it. So let me run this P4D sh and what is the service name? So default is master. So
Okay.
let it be. Port number it's P4 sorry root number you can specify whatever. This is the default number. So let it be.
What is root number,
Uh,
sir?
a P4 root where the depot will be created. The
Okay.
storage of repository will be there. Now
Okay.
this directory is not exist, so you want to create yes. Now Unicode server Unicode mode yes or no. So anything is okay. Right now default is no, so no, just go for no. Server's case sensitive that means the case sensitive password and stuff like that. Do you want to maintain that? Yes. Address 166 port number and do you want to continue? So let it be. Uh, and what is username? So super anyone username in this okay super username and password Rajesh $123 R caps Rajesh
Okay.
$123 R cap. So done. So now here you see everything is done. Establish trust connection, creating user account, tables, protecting tables. And this is a
Okay.
protecting tables where the user access has been given.
Okay.
Password security level high. L means what password you should be allowed. Setting the password, creating the ticket for root user. And what was
Okay.
the user? I forgot. What was the thing I passed? Super, I guess, right?
Yeah, super. Username is
Ah,
super.
yeah, super. So I'll just take a note of it just to avoid the confusion. And this is done. Now you should copy this one also. This has
Sure.
lots of information about this. So here, if you see that, it's the configuration file for the master server. Okay,
Okay.
and your service is running and the root file is, I mean, this has been initialized for
Lo-
the P4D. Huh.
Location.
This is your port SSL port
Okay.
166 and security level. Now, if you want to manage it, the server, you want to do some operation on the server, how do you talk to the
Okay.
server? So this is a
Sure.
utility you can talk to us. There is one user got created per force to manage it.
Okay.
Now, if you want to use it from the client side, you have to use P4 port, this one, and P4 user. Super. That's and password is Rajesh123. So you can set
Okay.
it up and then you can log in it. You can use the P4V also and
Okay.
so on. Uh, so that's something. This is the another way to connect. This is one method. This for P4 and this is another method to connect and so on. Okay, so this is the setup is done. Now can we access it? So what I will do before moving to the
Okay.
command line, I will install the P4V. Mind it, there's so many clients. So there's a client which is called P4. Okay,
Okay.
P4 is a
P4 is
client
command line and
and
P4V is the
P4V is the
visual
visual. Huh.
client. Yeah.
So command line also you can use it, but visual will be much better. So
Yeah.
let's install the visual. So for that, I think I got the here
Yeah.
P4V. Let's install Windows version, okay? Because most of the time we use Windows version only. So you want exe or msi, whatever, download. So this is the so I think I got downloaded.
Okay.
Now this is the my server will crash, one day. Okay, so I'm installing this P4V. Now if you look at it a little bit carefully, you are getting P4V, which is a visual client also. For admin work, admin also, and merge tool, most of the time developer uses, they have got it. Now what I do in my Windows machine, I everything I download under the C tools, so that way it's
Okay.
easy for me to manage.
Okay.
So here I'm changing C tools. One directory I'll create,
Okay.
Perforce. That way sometime it's easy for me to clean up around.
Yeah.
Next. Now what is your this one? So your IP address and then port number. So IP address, just a second, give me 2 seconds. I'm saving because I need it for next time. So IP address is uh, public IP address. I need it. So where is the public IP address? Here it is. Okay. And the port number is 166. This one. So here this is server and port number. Now this is something which we are setting up like this. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Yeah. Now username is system, I guess.
Perforce.
Super,
Perforce.
super, super,
Super.
super.
Okay.
See here. That's the reason I noted down. Uh,
Okay.
somewhere I here. See,
Yeah.
super. So super. You can use Perforce, which is system user. Okay. And what should be the
Yeah.
notepad, default notepad? So that's okay. Notepad. Next. Install. Yes. You can change this P4 port later also. That's not a problem. This
Okay.
version is a very much latest version
Okay.
which we are using. So we set up the Perforce, then we set up the client. So and then we'll have a one depot, which is the default. There we'll commit the code and all kind of things.
Okay.
So if you want to practice it, what you can do, you can something you can do that see here. Successfully installed up exit. So now here this is the I think
Server
is
name.
this your 103 super and workspace where you want to work where you want to code. So I'll
Okay.
create for this session, I'll create on desktop only purpose. So this is the
Workspace.
locations, the place where you can create browse all this thing, you can do that. Done. Click on OK. I did it and see that it's hung actually. Just wait for it a second. Hmm.
Workspace still now we didn't create, no, sir.
No, thus I created directory. Now,
Okay.
then when we check out the code, automatically it get created there. Depot when you check. Wait for it. Okay, so it seems it's not able to connect. What could be the region? So I think I know the region, and that is security groups at AWS, which is blocking.
Okay.
So yeah, so here I'm opening up. This is a worst practice, but I don't want to troubleshoot here. And worst practice, I'm setting up everything. Usually you should open up 16666.
Yeah.
Okay, so now here you see not connection is a connection problem. So click one more time. And here this is a genuine problem. Here's a failed client connect server using SSL. So what we need to do is you need to pass in this format. What format? In this format. In this format. Yeah, this is the one. Click OK. This is you can trust. It's a certificate error. That's okay. You can ignore it and connect. And what was the password? Rajesh $123. Okay, I forgot the password. What? Super password Rajesh $123, right?
Yep.
It's not taking the password for super. I think I'm sure about it. Okay, let me do small 123. Now the problem is I just need to set the password. Reset the password. So let me just second. This one or this one. Let me try both. I should have written it down. And last time.
This can be integrated
Okay.
with our AD, sir. How to do integration with AD?
LDAP.
All yeah.
LDAP. Yeah, that's configurations. Yeah, we'll do that once. I mean, we don't have it. We'll discuss that one.
Okay.
Okay. So right now I'm not able to remove the password. So let's reset this password. So how to reset E4D password? Root password. Okay, so let me see. So there is a utility, you have to use this one. Okay.
Yeah.
But in what combinations? Okay, so we'll do one thing. This I'll keep it offline.
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.